Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Today we'll show you how to remove and replace that trim piece on BMW E46 by the shifter guys. As you know, those go bad. Sometimes your switch might go bad for the light. You can see right here. So stay with us guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace it now. Check out that build that we have on our main channel, World Mechanics guys. It's growing crazy fast. Thank you for watching and please subscribe. Let's grow the channel together. Alright guys, what we need to do next, you need to put the car in neutral. It needs to be neutral so the shifting levers point straight up. It's important not to twist now left or right. We're going to pull straight up. You need to press that button on the front while you're pulling. If it might be really stuck, so two people might be needed for the job. Okay, the more you remove it, the easier it's gonna come out, to be honest with you. Okay, that's the shifter knob there, out of the way now. Next, we'll need to get a little prying tool, okay, or you can use a screwdriver with electrical tape around it. Okay, just something like this one, and you need to carefully, gently pry the trim out of there. Okay, because that thing is breakable. Okay, and next, okay, we're going to pull it out. Hold on now, we have the wires here that are very short, so we need to go ahead and disconnect these wires. Okay, so those go in. If you grab them on the plastic, never pull on the wires. Okay, and if you pull it hard, it's gonna come out. Okay, one is out, second one is out. Okay, just like that one now. And here we have another one that we'll need to disconnect as well. There is one little tube that's holding there in the middle. Okay, so we just pry it out of there, okay, like that, and it's out of here now. So if you need to replace the switch, it has only 3 screws, you see, and you can replace that circuit here with no problem. If you want to replace the whole trim now without the leather boot, what you need to do, you need to press in here, okay, to release the leather boot, and it's pretty tight, so be careful not to break the clips. Okay, like that, and we have the trim piece out of here guys. So that's how you remove it, that's how you replace it, put everything back together in reverse order we took it apart. Thank you guys for watching, don't forget to subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.